Hello children, I wish you good morning and today we are going to learn practice paper for yearly exam subject science, and today we start from number 24. Okay, so number 24 is WATER, water, from from MOUNTAIN, mountain, comes COMES, comes, down DOWN, down, in the, form form of, dash. Okay, water from mountain comes down in the form of dash. Option A, snow, SNOW. Option B, river, RIVER, river. And option C, rain, RAIN, rain. Okay, let's write. Water from mountain comes down in the form of dash. Okay, answer is rain. Option A, SN SNOW, snow. Option B, RIVER, river. And option C, RAIN, rain. Okay, so here comes RAIN, rain. Now number 25. The shape of our earth is blank. Okay, SHAPE, the shape of our EARTH, earth is blank. Okay, option A, square, SQUARE, square. Option B, rectangle, RECTANGLE, rectangle. And option C, ROUND, round. Okay, so option C is correct. Option ROUND, round. UND, round. Okay, tick right option C, tick right option A. Now number 26. The blue parts on the globe shows dash. Okay, the blue parts of the GLOBE, globe, SHOWS, SOWS, sows, dash. Okay. Option A, land, LAND, land. Option B, mountain, MOUNTAIN, mountain. And option C, WATER, water. C is correct answer. Here we have to write WATER, water. Okay. The blue parts of the globe shows water. Now number 27. The dash gives heat and light to the earth. The dash gives HEAT, heat, and LIGHTS, lights, to the EARTH, earth. Option A, moon. Option B, RAINBOW, rainbow. And option C, sun. Okay. So what can gives heat and sunlight to the earth? Okay. कौन हमें लाइट और हीट देता है? ऑप्शन ए मून, नो. ऑप्शन बी रेनबो, नो. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. So here we have to write SUN, sun. The sun gives heat and light to the earth. Now next, number 28. The band of 7 colors in the sky is called dash. Option A, rainbow. Option B, moon. And option C, star. What we call the band of 7 colors in the sky? Rainbow. Option A is correct option. So let's write the band of 7 colors. Option A is correct option. RAINBOW, rainbow. Okay. Now number 29. Sun rises in the dash. Option A, east. Option B, west. And option C, north. Which side sun rises? East. Sun, RISES, sun rises in the blank, EAST, east. Okay. Option A, EAST. East. Option B, west, west, west. And option C, north, north. Option A is correct option. Okay, now number 30. Sun sets in the sun sets in the blank. Okay, option A, east. Option B, west. And option C, north, north. Option B is correct option. west, west. Okay, sun rise in east and sun sets in west. Now number 3131. The sun looks like a big ball of the sun looks like a big ball of blank. Okay, option A, fire, fire. Option B, water, water, water. And option C, air. सन कैसा दिखता है? जैसे बड़ा सा बॉल हो. किसका बॉल? लाइक फायर, आग का गोला. So here we have to write option A, fire, fire. Okay. Now number 32 gives us light at night. Dash gives gives us light light at night. Okay, option A, moon, option A, cloud, cloud, cloud. Option B, moon. Okay, and option C, sun. Okay, now who gives us light in the night? Option B, moon. So here we have to write MOON, moon. Okay. Now number 33. What can we see in the sky during the day? What can we see in the sky during the day? Okay, what we see? Moon, star and sun. Moon, star and sun. Option C is correct option. SUN, sun. Okay. Now number 34. On a rainy day, we see dash clouds in the sky. On a R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy day. We see dash clouds clouds in the sky. Okay, option A, dark white and red. Dark white and C, red. Option A is correct option. D-A-R-K, dark. Okay. Now number 35. Rainbow has a dash colors. Option A, 4, 6 or 7. F-O-U-R, 4. Option B, 6. And option C, S-E-V-E-N, 7. So option C is correct option. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Okay. So rainbow has 7 colors. Okay. So children, I hope you all are understand. Please write it down in your science notebook.